Ma'am, nakatama siya sa bogad. Set na siya pas.
Nasa quiz
Dahil tulog ko ma'am.
Alam mo ba? Bago ako. Kasi dapat naman ako.
Sige, type of
Sa matang lugar, ito sa lugar ng amin.
bagoon, may white naman.
Wala. Hindi ko ganun.
Importance of the society.
Wow. Good student yan.
Letter styles. Ano ang mga styles ng letter? Okay, number one is
Business letter.
a business letter is a communication of information and matters related to our service. It serves not only as a communication but also to serve in records of communication. We have how many? Five. We have five styles. Number one, indented. What is indented? The oldest form of business letters. Sa elementary kami, ang mga indented. First line to begin at the margin, and the subsequent line to begin 5 spaces away from the beginning of the previous line. A comma follows each line, and a full stop is put after the last. That is indented. Ano, what's the difference between indented and block? The block aligns all in the left, the indented, the date, and the closing, the signature aligns, the address, and ano na siya? Salutation, align in the left, then my space, ang imo nga, the first word, beginning of your letter is under the salutation sa pangalan sa address. Sir. Kaya nang tawa o. Nagkapas lang. Here is we are. O, kapas lang siya. That is what? Indented. Yeah. And this style, the date lang, yung na-complementary, kung di hinuta, great. Pero, wala na siya sa ano ha? Wala ko pa?